Alright, so right here I have the ergonomic adjustable laptop stand, and I keep buying this because it's so portable. And if you do travel fairly often, or if you're moving your office around, then this is really useful for that, because that is how small it goes down to with a nice little carrying case. This is how it opens. I'm going to show you how it sets up in front of me, and then I'm also going to show you how it sets up with my laptop. It opens like that, and then flips out, and then straight away, let me just show you so you can see it, you can just slot that in like this. Obviously it's much harder to do it in the air, and that's it. That's it. That's how quick it is to set up. Now this also supports up to 40 kilograms of weight, which I was surprised at, but that basically means that it's gonna hold your laptop no problem. So let me show you with my laptop. Now, I'm gonna show you just here because this is gonna be easier. So this is how it comes, and then all you have to do is open it up, just like that, really smooth, lift it, and then slot it into one of these 7 heights for how high you want it. Now let me just show you it that way. This is on the, pardon me, that's on the first height just there. And now if I was gonna put my laptop in, it just rests like this. You can open it up and it supports the weight, absolutely no problem. Now that's quite high to type, so if I wanted to, just bring that back a little bit. This is now on rung 4. That's what I would use more often. And there you go, it just slots in again. It's universally compatible, meaning it can handle any laptops, MacBooks, tablets, anything from 10 to 15 inches that's under 40 kilograms, which will be pretty much everything. It's portable because you can fold it in like that, and it comes with a nice carrying case that it just slots into like that. It's aluminium or aluminum, and the holes at the bottom of it allow for continuous airflow from your laptop or MacBook. Overall, it's a great accessory for your laptop or Mac. It's an ergonomic design that brings the laptop or Mac up to your eye level and just makes it a lot more of a comfortable position for using it. And that's the main reason that I recommend it.